I think it was starting, it started to like abscess, and my tooth was hurting, and you could tell it was going bad. And so I knew that it was something, and I was hoping it was something that could be replaced. If not, the whole, I don't know if you've heard the term flipper, the whole flipper routine for a while, having just a tooth that you just pop in and out was a real challenge, because once I even almost swallowed it, believe it or not, and that would have been a real situation. When you go out to eat and you have a flipper, the food just doesn't taste the same either. And it is a little scary to the thought of hoping that it all works out, and you know, at my age, hoping that it takes, that the implant takes, and all that sort of stuff, because you know, you always go the bridge route and all that, but he just made me feel comfortable. They gave me options, and the options were, I think one was the bridge, and that's where, but by doing a bridge, I think you'd have to remove, it wouldn't just be one tooth, you'd have to remove this tooth, and that, I don't know if it's the two front teeth, or, and my wife Carla, she also got that option, but I think she's going also with the implants. But because then you deal with a bridge if there's problems with that. I feel good about my smile now and stuff, because that tooth was kind of getting gray. If I remember right, it was getting a little gray, and that probably because it was going bad. But it just feels really good and looks good.